Apply this to your brush. The results will surprise you. Everyday products you use can turn into something entirely different. This is a simple and inexpensive method. It turns out that this foam has a brilliant use in the toilet. Take an ordinary brush that you probably already have at home, remove it from the container, and then squeeze the foam into the container generously. Place the brush back into the container so that the foam covers its entire surface. This prepared brush is a lifesaver. The foam acts like lathered soap with a higher potassium hydroxide content, making it excellent for cleaning. Use this brush to scrub the toilet bowl as you usually do. It works great on yellow stains and unpleasant odors. Leave everything for 15 minutes. After that, flush the toilet. You'll immediately see how it shines. The bathroom will have a pleasant fragrance that lasts for several days after cleaning. The foaming action will do all the work for you. This trick lets you clean even a heavily soiled toilet without any scrubbing. Take a small bowl and add 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has disinfecting and strong cleaning properties. Then, add 6 tablespoons of citric acid. Pour the entire contents of the bowl into the toilet. Add a few drops of dish soap. Next, pour 1.5 liters of vinegar into the toilet. Vinegar is excellent for eliminating bacteria, germs, and mold. It can even tackle old limescale deposits that often accumulate under the toilet rim. Mix everything together. The mixture will start to react and foam immediately. This combination of ingredients acts like an invisible brush. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. The active foam will dissolve water deposits and disinfect the toilet's interior. In just a few minutes, a fresh, clean scent will fill the entire bathroom. Your toilet will have never been this clean. A hotel maid shared this trick with me, and it's amazing how simple it is. Now, I save money and always have a fresh toilet bowl. If you have laundry pods, you can do the same. Keep the plastic container from old toilet fresheners. Open it and rinse it thoroughly. Take a laundry pod that fits in the container without too much pressure. Avoid squeezing it, as the pod might burst and create a mess. Laundry pods have several key properties that make them a suitable replacement for traditional toilet cleaning tablets. They help keep the toilet bowl clean and fresh by releasing cleaning agents slowly over time. Use a sharp object, like a pin, to make a few small holes in the pod. This ensures the detergent releases gradually during flushing, providing a continuous cleaning effect. Place the container in the toilet bowl as you normally would when cleaning at home. Laundry pods work great as both fresheners and dirt controllers, and they will last a long time. Laundry detergent in the toilet. This is a game changer. Have you ever had guests over and realized while cleaning that you're out of toilet cleaner? The stores are closed and you're out of your usual cleaner? Don't worry, we have a brilliant trick for you. I never thought of using laundry detergent this way until I stumbled upon this tip. Many times I struggled with cleaning without knowing about this trick. Thanks to the surfactants in the detergent, it effectively removes dirt and grime. Additionally, the water softeners in the detergent help remove limescale. All you need to do is sprinkle some laundry detergent around the toilet bowl. Let it sit for about 15 minutes to allow the detergent to work its magic. Then, grab a toilet brush and thoroughly scrub the bowl. This method will clean the toilet completely. Finally, flush the toilet. Your toilet will be sparkling clean. I no longer use special toilet cleaners. I'm sure that once you try this trick, you won't go back to using them either. Drop this powder into the toilet bowl. It will remove stubborn residue and limescale. Without chlorinated and harmful chemicals, you'll get rid of stains and dirt. Cleaning the toilet has never been so simple. You no longer need to ventilate the bathroom during cleaning to get rid of harmful bleach fumes. This powder will tackle a dirty toilet much faster. Prepare a few powdery products, and the residue in the toilet will disappear. Start with regular flour. Flour adheres well to dirt, making it easier to remove. Our grandmothers already used its cleaning properties. Put 3 tablespoons of flour into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt acts as an antiseptic, disinfectant, and abrasive. Add a little baking soda. It has disinfecting whitening properties and neutralizes unpleasant odors. In a few seconds, you'll make a super powder for cleaning dirt. Before cleaning the toilet, first spray its surface with plain water. Then sprinkle the dirt with this powder. Wait about 20 minutes. After this time, take a brush and scrub the toilet. You'll see that the dirt will come off quickly. The toilet will be cleaner than ever. The toilet seat has hidden buttons. Thanks to them, you'll get rid of contaminants and those yellow urine stains. When you're tidying up the bathroom, cleaning the toilet seat is always problematic. Dirt accumulates not only on the seat itself, but also underneath it. In the area where the seat is attached to the toilet. Here, you can also see yellow stains, and this is a hard-to-reach area. You'll soon learn how to clean such a seat. The stains will disappear. Everything will be clean and disinfected. Cleaning the seat from time to time is easier under the shower or in the bathtub. Then you can easily clean it. You can even scrub the nooks and crannies underneath the seat. If we remove the seat, we can also clean the place where it attaches to the toilet. It's impossible to do this on a daily basis. Only after removing the seat will you notice how much dirt there is here. And if you also remove those metal covers, you'll be even more horrified. But how to remove a toilet seat? It turns out that every seat has buttons that allow you to do this. Depending on the type of toilet, these can be 2 separate buttons like here. Each one at a different attachment point. Sometimes it can be 1 button in the middle. See how easy it is to remove the seat when you press them. Now all you have to do is take it under the shower or into the bathtub. Dissolve a Correga Tabs capsule in a bottle of water. It's the best product for cleaning yellow stains on the toilet seat. Correga Tabs destroy bacteria, whiten, and remove discoloration. This is all your toilet seat needs. With this spray, you'll also clean the place where the seat attaches to the toilet. Just spray it and everything comes off. The toilet will shine. The yellow stains and dirt will disappear in a few minutes, and you'll enjoy a clean toilet. The yellow stains on the toilet seat will disappear within minutes. The toilet will be white again without using harmful detergents. Do you have such stains on the underside of the seat? Many people struggle to remove them. They form due to the deposition of urine and water droplets during flushing. Urine stains the seat, and the limescale formed by the water can initially be invisible, then gradually take on a slightly yellowish color. If you clean the toilet and seat with strong detergents, its surface may be damaged and more susceptible to various stains. But there's a trick to it. Just make a homemade paste. The stains and discolorations will vanish. The toilet will be white again. This method saves me in such situations. I don't have to replace the seat with a new one yet. Take baking soda and pour it into a container. Add some hydrogen peroxide to it, just enough to create a paste. Mix it. It's best to use an old toothbrush for this. It's perfect for applying this substance to stains. The baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste should be thick enough to stick to the stains. Leave it on the toilet for about 10 minutes. During this time, the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide will dissolve the stains. Then just remove everything, wipe it with paper, and you're done.